Hello, I am Sam and I am going to make a rocket. First you get a cone. You block the top hole off with a piece of fluff. Then you cut two edges out of a piece of sponge and then you stick it on. Then you get a cardboard tube, stick the cone on top. Then you get the rest of your fluff and get some sticky tape and sticky tape it to where inside. So it's only a little bit showing the fire. Finally, you stick that up there and you stick it on here. Then you pull it up madly